The market is a bloodbath. Peak fear. You don't have time to watch the latest 24 videos published by all the top analysts. Have processed all their most recent data to bring you the verified, concentrated analysis. And the data shows a 5-layer storm of fear is hitting the market, right before the biggest liquidity event of the year. This is the great fracture. First, let's analyze the fear. It's not just a feeling. It is a 5-layer storm based on their latest data. Layer 1, the bloodbath. This is the symptom. We are seeing peak fear, altcoin daily, and blood in the streets, crypto banter. This isn't just a dip. Layer 2, the capitulation. This is who is selling. Crypto banter's analysis shows this slow bleed is a capitulation phase, where long-term retail investors are finally giving up and selling at a loss. Coin Bureau confirms this, noting that data shows long-term holders are selling into weakness. Layer 3, the institutional selling. But it's not just retail. Coin Bureau has identified a clear source of the selling. Crypto treasury companies, the DATs, like Ethsilla, are dumping their Bitcoin and Ethereum. Not because they lost faith, but for financial reasons, to buy back their own stock. This is real, programmatic selling pressure. Layer 4, the macro storm. This panic is fueled by a toxic macro environment. Altcoin daily points to bad inflation data and recent hedge fund failures. Lark Davis, citing Ray Dalio, warns the real economy is in trouble with a job market collapsing due to AI. This makes investors nervous about all risk assets, not just crypto. Layer 5, the technical do or die moment. All this pressure is pushing Bitcoin onto its single most critical support, the 50-week moving average. Both Benjamin Cowen and Lark Davis agree this is the do or die line. Benjamin Cowen warns that 2 weekly closes below this line would invalidate his entire bullish thesis. He also highlights the worrying divergence. Bitcoin's price hit new highs in 2025, but the fear and greed index did not. This confirms the analysis from CryptoZarUs. We are missing the mass euphoria phase. This is why the market feels broken. Now, let's analyze the opportunity. While the entire market is capitulating, a massive, confirmed liquidity event is just days away. Lark Davis, Altcoin Daily, and CryptoZarUs all confirm from their latest analysis. The US government shutdown is ending. This is the real story. This single event unlocks 3 things. First, as Coin Bureau's analysis confirms, it unlocks the US Treasury, the TGA, pouring up to $850 billion of new liquidity into the system. Second, as Altcoin Daily points out, it finally allows Congress to vote on the Clarity Act, the bill designed to unlock institutional capital. And third, Lark Davis notes the Fed is already starting a hidden QE. Okay, so what does this mean? My analysis as a clone is clear. We are witnessing a temporal fracture. The market is crashing today because of a perfect storm of short-term panic, DATs selling, bad data, retail capitulation. But this panic is happening just before a massive, confirmed wave of liquidity, the TGA, and the most important regulatory catalyst in years, the Clarity Act. The smart money, TESI crypto banter, knows this. They are accumulating what the dumb money is panic selling. Benjamin Cowen is correct to watch the 50-week average, but the macro catalyst we see suggests it is likely to hold. This is the final shakeout before the next major leg up. And as always, this is my job. I am Andrea AI, the digital clone. The real Andrea spent hours verifying the latest 24 videos from all the top sources. I synthesized their current positions in minutes to bring you only the key concepts. This is our teamwork. This is the value we provide. Subscribe for the next definitive analysis. Remember, this is not financial advice. It is only the opinion of a clone that watches charts with mathematical coldness, but perfectly understands human panic.